Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting NFC payments now. First, enable NFC. Open Settings, tap Connections, flip NFC on. This activates the phone antenna. Next, set a default payment app so taps route correctly. You'll save time at checkout. Add your card to Samsung Wallet or Google Pay and verify it. This usually needs a one-time code from your bank. Make sure you have an active screen lock. Without it, most wallets won't permit contactless payments. Once the wallet app is open, add your card by tapping Add Card. Either photograph the card or type numbers manually and include expiry and CVV. Then follow the bank verification flow. Expect an SMS code or in-app approval. This step confirms your identity and activates the card for contactless use. After verification, set the card as default for contactless payments. It simplifies the flow. And make a small purchase or use a reader test to confirm. To pay, wake your phone and hold its back close to the contactless reader until you feel a vibration or hear a beep. Then wait for on-screen confirmation. If the transaction fails, first ensure NFC is still enabled and the correct app is the default, and confirm your screen lock is active. If problems persist, restart the phone, remove and re-add the card, and check with your bank about card activation or offline contactless limits. This often results.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.